Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? Welcome to Apple Tech Review once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So guys, today I want us to unbox what we call tripod with LED light of what we call flash. Okay guys, this is tripod with LED flash. Let's check what comes with this, what is inside here. So guys, this is it. This is the manual. This is the manual guide, user manual guide. So it's called icon. Yeah, let's put this one here. Yeah, so this is what we call ring. Okay. Yeah, it's called light ring. Comes with a switch here. This is a manual remote. How to control this light, I will show you. Okay, let's put this one here. Yeah, so it comes with a phone holder. This is the phone holder, the one you use to hold your phone. Then it comes with also a gimbal. This is a gimbal, as you can see. It keeps rotating. It's the one you use to rotate. Yeah. Then another stuff here. The most interesting thing is this tripod. This is the tripod. It's so, I will show you. It has two joints, as you can see. As the first one is this one. As you can see, guys, then this is the second one. So it has three adjustments. You can adjust according to the level where you want. Yeah, this is it, guys. Yeah, nothing more, nothing here. So guys, this is what comes inside this box. So this is most important thing. It's called a ring light. With this one you can record in all in darkness. It has dim modes. So it's a matter of connecting this one USB to any adapter. So it's portable with all smartphone adapters. So how do we connect this one? You just put this one here like this, then you fix your phone in here. So this one is rotatable, it's adjustable, as you can see. Yeah, let me fix, I'll show you. So this is it is adjustable here. See, first tight it more here, then do like this, and then you fix this one down here. So this is called gimbal. See, it is rotatable. You can fix it here. Yeah, like this. Then you fix and we fix this one down here. Okay guys, yeah, like this. So this is the set. So for your information guys, it doesn't come with a adapter because you know because of its price so cheap. So if they put this one to increase the price, I think they remove this one to also to reduce on the price. So guys, you can connect to all adapters, I'm sure, if you don't have this one. So guys, this is one of my adapters. I'm going to connect this one to power. I show you how it works. So once you connect this one to power, as you can see, this shows that the power is on. So you just need to on here from here, guys, as you can see. So from here it has control menu. This is increase, then here you can reduce the brightness like this. As you can see guys, here you put to dim mode, and here you increase the brightness. Then if you want to change, you can change from here the brightness, sharpness from here. See? So it has different modes. If you want to change mode to dim or to brightness, or about what you want. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and unboxing. Catch you next one.